So as we look at f of x, we have f of x is kind of the parent function, and we're transforming to g of x. So to do that, what do I notice? Well, I notice that basically g of x is equal to f of x plus 3. Well, what does that plus 3 mean? It means that g of x is 3 units above f of x. So let me show you real quick what that means with regards to the transformation. I just really want you guys to see that. If I graph f of x, which is just 2x, that's f of x, and then g of x was 2x plus 3. I'm going to do it a little different, though. I'm going to put a slider in here so you can see it. So when I add that 3, this is what happens. I'm shifting the graph up above. So when I let that y-intercept equal 3, it's going to cross at 3. But when I compare it, from this point, I go up 1, 2, 3 units. And any point on the red line is going to be 3 units above on the blue line. So from here, if I pick this point here, -2, I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, and that keeps me on g of x. And that's basically it. So when we look at this little plus 3 here, it's just going to shift the original function up 3 units. Any questions on that one?